like I said, I did return the other kayak, and I got another kayak. This blue one. This is Michelle's green one, but this is my blue one. This one's used, so I'm gonna be doing lots of we call it renovation work to it. So this model is a Field and Stream 1871. Eagle Talon, 12 foot long. I don't have the cover for this, but I don't plan on going in water that's too terribly choppy. And I have 2 replacement straps for the handles. And other than that, she's ready to rock and roll. Alright, so far I have a bag with solar charger, zip ties, knife, multi-tool knife, and another knife. And then I have, of course, hammock, another hammock, crystal. Maybe we'll take the crystal out there. Gloves. I actually have 2. And of course, portable grill. Plastic storage container. Super sharp knife for cutting stuff. And handles to pull a kayak because the other ones are dry rotted off. Here, got my cooler. Seats ready to go. And I have just a little bit of a lunchbox situation as well. On top of there, easy grab and go. And a sling bag for like on my chest while I'm on the water. More straps. Let's get to the car. I got the like a pump floats, 2 fishing poles. And a life jacket. I'm not trying to store it all in here just yet. I want to see what I got, so I'm kind of keeping it visible for a moment. So the kayak situation is looking pretty good. Like I said, myself and Michelle went out and got a kayak. We still need a 3rd one for my partner Tyler. But it is looking like that is something that we're going to do just because we already have 2.